Okay, so we're kind of like getting a vlog ready here. We're starting to do a little vlog. And what is it, Doug? Doug wants to go outside. For for what we're doing today is nothing too exciting. But we're going to kind of get our spring started with some yard work, woohoo, and stuff like that. So, Valerie, say hi. Yep, there she said hi. That's my wife and my filthy kitchen table. So, anyway, I just want to kind of do a little introduction, walk around the house a little bit, just testing things out.
Of course, you don't introduce me.
Well,
it's not like I want to be introduced.
hang on a second here.
No, don't shut camera on me. No.
All right, hang on, and I can't just flip it around. So, there's the kid. Hi.
Okay, take camera away now.
I'm gonna make him work.
No.
So, anyway, I gotta take a little setup time, get things going here. I need to find some shoes, socks, get things rolling. Okay. So, I know, throwing stuff. I'm gonna go into that shit. I'm gonna pull out my lawnmower, and I'm gonna see if I can get it to start. First time this year. It's gonna be fun. Oh man, lawnmower's deep. Hang on. Hi. Okay. Found it. Now. There it is. Has a prime. So, we confirmed it works. That's the first time that thing started up since last summer. So, didn't take that much really, surprisingly. That is a $130 Walmart special Murray, I think it is. Yeah, it's a Murray. So, you want a little review? There you go. It starts. So just filling in some holes here. We got everything running, and it was before we could really get mowing, we had to pick up a bunch of brush and some debris that was in the yard. And while doing that, I ran across something, and it was kind of cool. So I want to show you what that was.